What's up, guys? This is totally not a video that I want to make, but I figured you guys deserved this at the least and could possibly help us out. So we went to the Hail Mary Derby last weekend or the weekend before last. I can't exactly remember, but man, we had such a great time. But after that, the day we were supposed to fly back on Monday, our rental car was broken into, and literally they stole all our cameras, our hard drives, laptops, iPads, GoPros, everything. So I'm filming on a GoPro I had in my pocket from the event. This is basically all I have left. This sucks. All of our JJ events gone. All of the events that we have ever shot ever gone. We have a very limited things that are backed up on our cloud, and this is tough. I wish this on no one. I could care less about getting my equipment back. We had some insurance on it, but apparently not enough, because whoever thinks about something like this happening? But like I said, I could care less about my equipment. The things that are irreplaceable is this footage. Can't get any of that footage back, period. Half of the Hail Mary Derby, well actually like 2/3 of it, we dumped onto one of our hard drives, and we were gonna split a hard drive with Chris Miller and give him one, because this is what we have to do to fulfill our media agreement, and give him, some unwatermarked footage and everything, so they can do and post everything that they need to post for the Hail Mary Derby next year. Didn't get a chance to split that drive with him because we kind of got out of there in a hurry on Sunday, and that's just what happened there. But we did put it on another hard drive in order to transfer it. All that stuff was in one of our backpacks in the car. We had packed the car last night to get ready to catch a flight because we had 13 hard cases and 4 backpacks. I mean, we have a lot of stuff, and trying to move all that stuff in the morning is terrible. So we normally load the car up, the night before. We have early AM flights, and we're getting out of there. I got up at 4:30 AM. I go out to the car around about 5 in order to just get a few things and kind of tidy up some stuff in the back and things like that. And look, and at first I kind of really didn't notice it because the things that I was looking for were there, like a empty Real Street backpack and a few merch shirts and things like that from potentially our new sponsor, Real Street. So we were getting that stuff together, and I was looking, I was like, man, it looks really light back here in this trunk area. So I was like, man, I need to grab my camera bag, go to the side of the vehicle, boom, window busted out, and every backpack in there was stolen, even one of Cody's empty backpacks in there. And the only thing that was left was a backpack that was in plastic, which was our Real Street backpack. And man, I mean, we had just got all this stuff, a bunch of new stuff. So we're missing, so we got things that are stolen. A drone, the Sony A7S III, that camera is like not even available right now. So I can't even replace that without paying over $1,500 over sticker on it. And we had a Nikon camera gone, a Sony PXW Z100, a slew of GoPros, of course my iPad, my MSI laptop, a ton of SSDs in there, some T7s and T5s. Man, I mean, I can't even explain like the rest of the stuff. I mean, it's just so much stuff. So actually I'm in the office right now, and what we were doing, we're taking everything that we had boxes for and actually getting some of these serial numbers, which of course, since I'm a box hoarder, I had everything. I got lucky on that. So some of the stuff here, even had serial numbers on the hard drives. This is one of our other cameras right here, a little AX700, and These were some of the. This was the only thing, which is a bunch of accessories and stuff for the Ronin in here that got saved, and they took some stuff out of there, but they couldn't physically take this because it was too big. And that's some other things we had boxes for. This is like the Sony camera, the Nikon camera, our Osmo. That's the MSI box, Tilta box. Some of our merch is laying over there, but there's a lens right there, lens case, another lens, and this bunch of lenses down here, a bunch of GoPro stuff, and a bunch of everything. Still our microphones, all that stuff. I mean, really got us bad. So if you guys see a bunch of camera equipment pop up in the Upper Marlboro, Maryland area is where this stuff got taken from, please be on the lookout, because we have a Mavic Pro 2 drone, this cyborg theme that had a kit on it, had a sticker kit on it, so it's gray and orange, and like I said, all the rest of that stuff is in there. Zion Crane 3S was also in there. I forgot about that. I mean, it's just so much stuff. I mean, it's literally so much stuff. All of those cases had Radical Speed stickers on them and everything. So asking you guys, the people, if you see any footage that looks professionally made from a JJ's arm drop event, that is definitely our stuff. If you see anything from Hail Mary Derby that is pretty much untagged from probably a local account or something like that, it's probably our stuff. So just be on the lookout for that stuff. I mean, anything helps at this moment. I mean, we are really down. I mean, the police estimated $30,000 to $40,000 worth of stuff was stolen out of the car. I know this was crazy to leave that stuff in the car, but we have never had this issue ever. Like ever. We pack the car at night, we get ready to go, we leave, and we're fine. But definitely going to be more cautious in the future, because everybody doesn't think like us apparently. So for lack of better words, we are definitely bringing everything inside the room from now on, because now that we have to, because we're afraid that people are going to steal our stuff. And there's just basically crap people in this world that will take anything that they think is available. So unfortunately we were hit, but we plan on trying to recoup some of this stuff and get some new cameras in before our next JJ's event, which is going to be in December in California, in Verona, California. So we should have new equipment in by then and be able to do that particular event. But we've lost so much, I mean, more than I can even attest for. So we are definitely down but not out. But I had to give y'all that update, and that's kind of why we haven't been posting, because we don't have anything to post. We have all of our hard drives gone, and I had tons of footage that I wanted to put up, and I actually think I did back up like a few GoPro things of putting the Viper together and Evo together to go to the No Prep Takeover too. So hopefully I can find that stuff and put it together, but only thing I can use is our desktop computer right now, and I had literally my whole setup on my laptop, and that's killing me. And all the tunes for our cars, even the Motec and everything was on that MSI laptop, which is invaluable right now. So that's it. I mean, if you guys want to help us out, we do have merch links below. We do have all of our social medias below. So if you want to help us out with getting some merch, a hat, a shirt, any of that stuff right now goes a totally long way, because man, we have definitely lost a lot and we could use you guys' help. So that's all I have for today, guys. And I know this is not like our typical usual videos, but of course we're working with what we have, and it's just a terrible situation. But in any sense, you know us, we will keep on rocking. Have on merch right now. We will keep on rocking. we are going to be at more races. We are going to race cars more. We're actually going to Vegas this weekend to be on the Main Street Outlaw show with the Evo and a few other cars that you guys might know. So definitely be on the lookout for that. So I mean, there is an upside to it. So we are getting on the Street Outlaw show. Just drop that bombshell. But here we are. But this is it, guys. Catch you guys later. Out.